solid 3.5 hours in a motel that was adventurous.
I think it's haunted.
This motel room is really special. We are in Fountain, Colorado. It does come with a full-size fridge though. That's the oldest phone I've seen in a hotel in a long time. The mirror doesn't work. Now we're headed down 25 south to New Mexico. What do we got?
Tracks.
Bear tracks?
With dinosaur tracks. Dinosaur and bear tracks. Do you think they're prehistoric bears? They're either...
Whoa, look at all the fish. Look at all that. We're running on like, what, 3 hours of sleep in the last, I don't know, 36, 48 hours. Top of the Rio Grande for sunset.
Hashtag worth it.
So cold, oh, it's warm by the fire. Oh man, just getting up, making some soup, tea, and then we're gonna hit the trail.
Breakfast of champions. Progressive champions.
Is it cold enough for you?
It's supposed to be summer break. Summer.
We're just running up to Williams Lake. Almost there. Got about another half mile to go. All right, we made it to the lake. It's right over there, a little smaller than we were hoping for. I think we might just try to bust up to the top of Wheeler Peak, since it's the tallest in the state and we're here. It would be kind of like a shame not to. But lake's over there, kind of small.
So while Jesse climbs that peak, I'm just meandering through the mountain lake. It's so beautiful, so great. So many flowers. Good landscaping.
Coming up Mount Wheeler. I don't know how far I am, but it can't be far enough. That is probably the top up there. No, it's probably a false summit. Anyways, just hanging out here, watching my little marmot buddy for a second.
Jesse's climbing up that peak to get to the top. Hope he makes it. All right, just coming down off the top.
Had to get past the summit there because it was too windy. But that's it right up there. And it was tough, but it was definitely worth it. It took me, I don't know, about an hour and a half. 2 hours, let's see, hour and a half to get up here, yeah. So, not bad. So, back down to meet Kim, and then hopefully go get some food somewhere. I'm hungry. Met up with Kim coming down the mountain here, Wheeler. She was coming up to meet me.
Let's go.
So what's up today, Kim?
Well, first Finn must have misplaced the treasure because we went exactly to where it should have been and it wasn't there. Figures. So we shifted our focus to arrowheads, geodes, and cliff dwellings. Should be a fun day.
We're in Bandelier National Monument this morning. We stayed in Los Alamos last night, and now we're gonna go see some cliff dwellings, we think. Maybe go for a hike, we're not sure. There's fire closures in the park, and we don't know what that means yet. Do you see it?
I do.
What is it?
It's a little house in the cave, in the cliff. We're gonna see
Cliff dwellings?
We're gonna see cliff dwellings, and they're right there. I'm gonna look at them right now. Hold on.
Kim is in a big hurry.
I want to see them first.
You want to take a nap? It's definitely cozy.
Like they even have a skylight.
Oh yeah, nice.
Hey. Oh, Jesse, look. I think this was all slimes. See, does that look like an animal?
Yeah, it does kind
And
of.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Blowing fire. This is the kitchen where Jesse prepares all the meals for me. My favorite is squirrel and prairie doggy dog stew. Vegetarian. Vegetarian squirrel and prairie dog stew.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
That tree really got bent over.
Back to it. They're ready. I tried. Should go through a few more yoga classes. This is my condo that I rent
Yeah.
in the
How many square feet is it?
seasons. Let's
Looks
see.
like it's 4 square feet.
Let's see. Like this?
Yeah. That's not how you do square feet.
9, 10 square feet. You in a cliff bar? In a cliff dwelling?